Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Kia Sportage. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat and mirrors for clear visibility. Locate the ignition or start button, usually on the dashboard. Press the brake pedal firmly, then start the engine. Familiarize yourself with the gear shifter, typically located in the center console. Ensure the parking brake is engaged before starting the engine. Now, let's cover the basic controls. The right pedal is the accelerator, and the left is the brake. Practice gentle pressure on both. Use your turn signals for every lane change or turn. Familiarize yourself with the headlight and wiper controls, usually on stalks behind the steering wheel. Remember to check your mirrors frequently and be aware of your surroundings for safe driving. Your Kia Sportage comes with many helpful features. Take time to explore the infotainment system for navigation and media. Understand how to activate and use cruise control for highway driving. Familiarize yourself with advanced driver assist systems, if equipped, like lane keeping assist. These features are designed to enhance your driving experience and improve safety on the road. Finally, let's discuss parking and shutting down. When parking, use your mirrors and backup camera, if available, to guide you. Always engage the parking brake firmly once you've stopped. Shift the gear selector to park before turning off the engine. Ensure all lights are off and the vehicle is locked. This routine helps keep your Sportage secure and ready for your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.